BJ Beats.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Fresh_Griff on all social media platforms, and I'm here to bring you a short, easy, quick install video. I'm going to show you how to put your tail lights into your Dominator rear fender. I just got Advanblack's Dominator rear fender, and I'm super excited to put it on for my 2023 Road Glide Limited. Like, matter of fact, let me show you. Boom. Here you go. This is the Dominator rear fender by Advanblack. Super excited to put this on my bike. This is exactly how it's gonna come. When you open up the box, this is what you're gonna get. Whatever color you go with. My bike is Prospect Gold, so this will be going on my bike. It's gonna have your tail lights in the box. I'm gonna show you what those look like, and I'm just gonna show you how to put these tail lights on this Dominator rear fender and make this thing look nice and sick. You know, the tail lights are gonna come in a box that look just like this. Of course, you're gonna have your hardware. Your tail lights are gonna be nicely packaged in this. Boom, 2 smoked tail lights is gonna go right inside that Dominator rear fender. I went with the smoked, of course, because a lot of my lights on the back of my bike are going to be smoked. So this is the look that I prefer to go with. So this is how the tail light is going to look. It's not going to come with the brackets already on there. I put the brackets already on there. You got the flat end going in just like that with the screw on top of the flat end, and then it's going to kind of curve out like so. Same thing with this side. Flat end, then it's going to kind of curve down. And that's how it should be on there. And I'm gonna show you how it looks on the fender. Also come with your cables. Can't forget the cables. I'm gonna show you how this goes on there as well. All you will need for this setup is a Phillips screwdriver. That's all you're gonna need, all right? All right, so after you get those brackets on there, on the ends, you're gonna put the tail light in this slot just like that. You gotta make sure it goes down in there. Just apply just a little bit of force. After you apply just a little bit of force, you're gonna see that tail light come right through there just like so. You're gonna take your small screw, Phillips screwdriver, just screw that thing down in there. Take your other screw, put it right in there, find the hole, screw it down. I always recommend using screwdrivers instead of power tools when you're working with screws and plastic and everything. That's how it should look, just like so. Don't worry about this right here being seen. That's gonna show a little bit. I wouldn't worry about that. But that's how Advanblack designs it, so that it can have a nice flush look here. You know it's coming in just like that, and you know what's in there. All right, got one tail light in there. Now I'm gonna put the other one in there. Same process. Turn it around, check it, make sure it's nice and flush, just like that, nice and even. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. Nice look. I really like the smoked tail light look. Now we're gonna work with the cables, all right? I'm gonna show you how the cables are gonna be ran down in there. They're gonna come from the left side of the bike. I am going to stick the right side as well as this 2-prong connection right up in here. And then I'm gonna take this right side. It has these slots. You gotta make sure they go right up in these slots here. Got these kind of like hold brackets right here. These hold, they kind of hold the wires in place, or they hold the cables in place. These two hole brackets right here, you got one on this side and one on the other side. You're gonna take this, put the screws up in there, screw it down into place. All right, pretty self-explanatory. You got your brackets here, bracket here. Designed to keep these cables nice and secured here. As long as it's ran right through here, this is not gonna hit your tire. You got your right connector right here, 4-prong connector is gonna go right into this tail light. And then your left 4-prong connector is gonna go right into this tail light. As long as you have everything secured, running down here on the left side, over to the right side, right underneath these brackets, you're gonna be good to go. You're gonna be fine, look, just like that. It's not gonna hit your tire or anything. And then this here is the 2-prong connector here. The 2-prong connector is gonna go for your license plate. The license plate is gonna go right here. It also came with the Dominator Fender. It's in the box. I will shoot a video putting this Dominator Fender on my bike, so stay tuned for that. This is how it's gonna look. The tail lights left and the right, nice and flush on there. I got the smoke lights. This is how it's gonna look. Real simple here when it goes on your bike. And then you got your connections just like that. All right, fam, that's it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be doing some giveaways. Make sure you subscribe, because anybody who will subscribe to me will be entered into my giveaways. I got some nice giveaways for y'all. I will let y'all know what those are in the next videos to come. I can't wait to put this Dominator Fender on my bike. That's gonna be another video I'm gonna be showing y'all, and then I got some more parts coming for my bike as well. Just stay tuned in, stay locked in with me, and that's the end of my video. Make sure y'all be safe, be blessed, and be fresh. All right, I'm out.